Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Capricorn, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, Capricorn. We are picking these cards, guys, and I'll be picking cards for your relationship. So, this is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, guys, Capricorn. And I also have a pick a card love reading, fairy tale pick a card love reading, and that may answer any questions or doubts you have in your situation, guys. So if you are interested, stay tuned for that. That will follow this general reading. So let's start with the general reading, guys, for y'all. So we have 3 of stars, 9 of moons in reverse, and 9 of suns in reverse. So with these cards, guys, in your situation, Capricorn, it may be in your career or it may be in your personal life. So in your situation, maybe for some of you, you are interested in someone, maybe, and you see this person, you are longing for their love or you are longing for their company, but circumstances are unfolding in such a way that you are moving away from this person you love, or they are moving away from you, and something that is stressing you and really troubling you a lot, guys. And maybe you need to understand that having trust in yourself and having trust in that love you have for that person, that is going to help you come out of this stress or sadness today. So maybe this may be someone very close to you. It may be your person, or it may be a friend, a very close friend who is moving away from you, guys, maybe for work, or it may be some other reason. So that is causing lot of stress for you. And maybe for some of you, you may even be having some illness, something worrying you, guys, and you may be seeing some obstacles also. You need to take good care of yourself, Capricorn, today, because there are lots of changes coming in your situation today, guys, and it may not be your fault or it may not be that other person's fault. It is just how circumstances are unfolding in your situation. And maybe for some of you, this situation would have come up because you spoke your mind or you spoke what you felt. So this person would have got hurt and they are moving away for some of you, or they have spoken their mind and they have hurt you. That is the reason you are moving away from them. But that is the truth, guys. Maybe it is time you maybe understand the plain truth they are speaking, Capricorn. That is what I see, guys, with these cards for your general energy. So let's see what is the card for your relationship, guys. So that may be what you feel or what your person feels, guys, in your situation. So let's see what is the card first. We have the completed world. So it may be destiny, guys. That may be the reason you are seeing certain stressful things happening in your life today, guys. Maybe this person is speaking the truth, or maybe they are not. But whatever is happening, maybe you thought this may is the person and you were interested in them, but the words they are speaking, you cannot take it anymore. Maybe they are telling you the truth, but it is simply not um you may not see that as the truth for yourself the way you perceive. So that person's perception is different from yours. So that may be the reason for troubles in your situation, guys, in your relationship. But I also see that for some of you, you may have happiness and a sense of completion no matter what. You may have that understanding, that hope, that your love you have, or that concern you have for this person, or that affection. This person will understand your words, or they may have this hope that only because of that love they have towards you, they are speaking those words. So they may feel in their heart of hearts that someday you will understand why they have spoken such words to you, guys, Capricorn. So that is what I see, guys. Let's see what is the card for your career situation. So we have Four of Suns in reverse. So with this card in your career situation, guys, you are simply going to get lucky, guys. Good luck is smiling on you, and you are going to see a positive progress and growth in your life today, guys, Capricorn. So that is the reading, guys. If you want to watch the pick a card love reading, stay tuned. That is coming up right now. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here today. So if you have any questions or confusions in your mind about your situation, you can think about it, close your eyes and meditate with these crystals. So whichever crystal comes to you first after you open your eyes, you can choose the card. So that reading may resonate, guys. That may answer some questions you have in your mind about your situation. So I will start with this card. This is your first card. Let's start the reading after 2 seconds of silence, guys. Okay, guys. So now let's see what is the first card. We will keep this card aside. So let's see what it is. Water and salt. Truth. So with this card, guys, the reading for you all in your situation today, maybe you are speaking the truth, or someone is speaking the plain truth without any without any cover up. They are not masking their truth, the plain truth, and you, maybe it is you or it is your person, and you feel really stressed because of that, because for most of us, we are unable to digest the truth, because a truth is always bitter, and maybe this person is honest. They have honest and truthful intentions towards us. That is the reason they are saying a few things, but we are unable to digest it. This may be your energy, or this person you're in a relationship with, it may be their energy, guys. So maybe today you may feel stressed or worried, or this person speaking truth, they may face a lot of anger from the other person. So for speaking truth, they may not be valued, they may even be punished. But in the long term, this truth will just prove itself, guys. So you need to understand that today. So being honest, maybe face to face, just saying what we feel right and what is the truth in any circumstance. Maybe today it may not be taken well by the people around us, but in time it will prove right, and they will understand your worth, and they will understand the worth of your love. And the present discomfort will be worth it when they understand why you spoke those words. So this may be your energy or this person you're love with, their energy, guys. Maybe you are facing some difficulties because of those honest words you have spoken today, but you need not worry. Your truth will win, guys. That is what I see with these cards, guys, for those who have chosen this card, the first card. So let's see what is the second card. We will keep this card aside. So for those who have chosen the second card, the Frog Prince, intimacy. So sometimes in life, we are afraid to let that other person see us totally, what we are emotionally and what we are psychologically. So we are avoiding some people, avoiding someone. Maybe they have true love towards us and they have truthful intentions towards us and they love us a lot, they like us a lot, but we are afraid to go close to them because we have some past fears or something is obstructing the way we are today. But we need to understand that only when you let that other person see what we are truthfully in our heart of hearts, you will be able to build that strong foundation for a beautiful relationship. So maybe you are keeping someone at a distance and you are trying to avoid them. Maybe you like them, but you have some kind of fear or something is blocking you in this relationship. Maybe it is time you share your feelings, spend time with this person, have that affection, bring that affection, grow that affection, and bring that closeness in this connection, guys, and build openness, having that open heart to heart communication. That is what is going to help you today to build a meaningful, intimate and a beautiful relationship with the other person. So you need to let go of your fears or whatever maybe some ideals you may have, or the way of life, some ideas about the way of life, whatever you have, some kind of possessive attitude, whatever it is, you need to let go of that today, guys. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards for your reading. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.